So I got a new phone. Yes, finally I upgraded my iPhone 6s to the iPhone 10. And today in this video, I'm going to be sharing the unboxing experience with you guys. Hey guys, my name is Akshi. Welcome to Techno Akshi. Let's get started. So here's the box for the iPhone 10. Like you can see, it's the space grey, 256 gigabyte variant. And now let's get right into it. Taking the plastic off, and now inside the box it'll probably have the usual stuff. Yep, so like usual, the Design by Apple in California booklet that we have at the top, just about in all Apple devices. And here's the phone itself. Okay, that looks gorgeous, right from the front. And I'm sure at the back as well. Space grey, and like you can see, it's got a space grey stainless steel band, stainless steel frame, and then space grey glass at the back. And I have only just had it with the plastic on, and it's already starting to show fingerprints. So I'm sure once I take the plastic off, then it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. And I'm sure you would have seen a lot of unboxing videos for the iPhone 10 by now, but you know, still. So I'll take the plastic off, and that's so satisfying. Okay, now you can see how reflective the display is. Now I'll put that aside for a second and let's dig in. So we've got the usual Apple EarPods, the Lightning ones, the normal USB wall charger. It's not a fast charger, just a normal one, and the usual Lightning to USB syncing cable. And that's all you get in the box. And the box is now empty. And now I have also purchased a few extra accessories, like this Apple electric blue leather case, which I will be using, and also this another Incipio clear case, which is just a basic clear case, and I will be using those a bit later. I will be using the device by itself first and see how it feels. So that was it guys for this quick unboxing. Stay tuned to the channel for my full in-depth review of the iPhone 10, where I share my overall experience with the iPhone 10, which I'll be posting in about a week or so's time. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because that really means a lot. And I'll see you in my next one.